Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about the iPhone 14 release date and price. So these are just rumors, so do not take these all seriously. These are just rumors that are going through the internet. But iPhone 14 might not have a notch. Yes, you heard me correct. This time the iPhone 14 might not have a notch. As you can see in the pictures, these are just rendered pictures, so these might not be completely 100% true, but it's also gonna have a new Face ID hardware design, and that's only going to be for the Pro version. So we have no idea what the normal version is gonna be like. And it's also gonna have a refresh rate of 120 Hz, just like in the now iPhone Pro models, like the iPhone 13s. The body is gonna remain the same except for the notch and maybe the camera bump behind, but we'll have to actually see what Apple shows us. The colors, there are gonna be 4 different colors as always: the space gray, the rose gold, the silver, and the lavender. So it's gonna have a very high-end titanium alloy chassis, and the cooling, apparently the cooling is gonna be very good on this. So it is a rumor that Apple might be removing the lightning port this time, and they might be introducing us to either MagSafe or Type-C. That is, I mean, I really hope that is the truth, because almost everything I use, it uses a Type-C cable. So having an iPhone with a Type-C cable would be a very nice. The camera is gonna have a big bump in as well. It's gonna be featuring a 48 megapixel wide angle camera, as well as the zoom is gonna be higher, and the main competition for the camera is going to be with the Samsung, so we can expect great results from the camera as well. It's gonna have a A16 chip, so the latest and the greatest, and the RAM is going to feature in the Pro model a 6 GB RAM. Now, in my honest opinion, other companies are providing 12-16 gigs of RAM, while Apple is still going ahead with the 6, so I'm not really sure how great it will be or how it's going to perform. We'll have to understand that after we get the phone in hand. And as always, the iPhone's gonna have an OLED display, 120 Hz. I just mentioned the 120 before, not the OLED, so it's gonna be an OLED 120 Hz refresh rate display. And it is, judging by all the previous iPhone releases, it's going to be on September of 2022, most probably 1 week or after the 2nd week of September. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.